There's no more light. Oh, eso es todo la luz.
We're gonna go to the bathroom.
You guys, this is all the lighting we have, but we just left City Walk.
City Walk is crazy.
You guys, there was a whole like brawl moment. It was bad. My arm hurts. I have a broken nail. My fingers throbbing. Oh, close the things, mommy. Close the. ¿Cómo se apaga? The rear. You can. Kilani down here should let you turn off the thing. Anyways, you guys. We just left. We're almost to our hotel. Thank God. We're exhausted. We were planning on going out tonight, but after what just happened, we ain't going out.
We can't go anywhere. Why?
You guys. So there was just, yeah, you guys don't say nothing. Let me talk. Let me talk because I ain't trying to get into no legal issues. Anyway, so we are leaving City Walk, right? I'm just doing a quick story time just to fill you guys in. I haven't been live. We've been busy with the kids. And Bubba cropped his pants.
Guys, I go to the bathroom first.
We're leaving City Walk, right? And Mama got upset because we had promised her we were going to get her the Simpsons donuts, but we didn't end up getting it. She was upset.
Mama, you can make donuts.
She remembered it.
We'll buy you 5 donuts.
So then, we go into the candy store and I'm like, oh, like, let's get candy. And she's like, okay. So then Pierce and, Brianna walk in. No, Pierce and Brianna, like, are in the candy store with the, sorry, my throat. I've been screaming a lot on the rides. Pierce has a squishy and I'm like, where did you get that? And he goes, oh, I got it back there. And Brianna's like, yeah, we got it back there. So I'm like, oh, let's go back really quick. Oh, key point, Ivan had tried to go back to try to get Mama the donut, but I don't think they let him back into the park because we had already got out. So I'm like, where did you get the squishy? So me, Brianna, Osmar, and Pierce, and Mama, and Livy start running back to get a squishy. And it was like one of those center kiosks, you guys, like in the City Walk. So there's City Walk and there's like the center kiosks. So there's a center kiosk and they have squishies there. And that's where Pierce had got a squishy. So we're running back to get a squishy and everything's like about to close. And so Mama and Livy are in front of us and we're like walking behind them. Obviously we have the baby, we have everything. And so they like get to the car. I can see them from a distance. And they get to the little cart area where the guy's selling the squishies. My arm fucking hurts. And we get there, they start like to look at the squishies. I'm going to buy Mama a squishy, right? From the center kiosk. And then I see the guy like yell at them and say something to them. And I walk up and I'm like, what did you say to my daughter? Because I saw the look on the girls' face when they got up, like when they got up there, they were all excited to get a squishy. And as soon as the guy said something to him, they backed up and they were like he was just fucking rude. So I'm like, what did you say to my daughter? And he's like, oh, she don't say hi, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, why would my daughter need to say hi to you? She's looking at the squishies. I'm like, he's like, no, you need to teach them respect. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm like, my daughter ran up to the kiosk to look at the squishies. You look like a creepy ass old man. She was excited. She's a little girl. Short story long. No, literally, you guys, it's because I'm still like shaking and pissed off about this.
Mama was literally shaking.
Yeah, Mama was literally shaking, you guys. So, let me gather myself. So the girls were excited. They go up to the kiosk. They're a little bit in front of me. I don't know what the guy fucking thought, but he yelled at them. He said something to them. He was fucking rude. And they backed up and I was like, what did you say to my daughter? And he was like, oh, they need to say hi. Like, but my daughter does not need to say hi to you. What the fuck are you talking about? Like, what do you mean? My daughter does not need to say hi to you. She's looking at the squishies. I'm going to buy her a squishy. And he's like, I'm like, you know what, Mama? Let's just go. I'm not buying a squishy from here. Like, what the fuck? Like, I don't get it. So then I wish that's where the problem ends. But then Ivan comes because he just got back from like trying to go back to get the donut.
My fault.
And it's Bubba's fault. I literally told everybody, do not tell your dad. Don't, because when it comes to Ivan's kids, you don't want to fuck with them. Like, I'm sorry. Like, you just don't want to do that. You don't want to say anything to him. So as soon as Bubba tells him that the guy yelled at his sister, Ivan goes running back and he's like, what the fuck did you say to my daughter? Like, you don't say shit to my daughter. You need to come say it to me. Like, what the, and he's like, no, they need to say hi. They don't have respect. Like, what do you, if you go to a center kiosk at the mall, the guy, first of all, the guy was like on the complete other side. So how are they supposed to say hi to you? You were not even in the vision. You weren't in the vision of the, like, of our kids. They walked straight up to the car and started looking at the little squishies. And my daughter doesn't need to say hi to you. Period. Anyways, my daughter doesn't need to say hi to you. We're looking at your kiosk. They were looking at it really quick. We were going to buy one. I was behind them. So Ivan goes back, confronts him. And it's a whole issue. We're like holding him back. Me and Brianna were like both in front of him. Like we were in between him. This guy, you guys, the story's not even bad yet. This guy's taunting Ivan, literally. This guy is taunting Ivan. No, they don't have to say hi, Liz, right? So, this guy starts taunting Ivan. Ivan's like, what the fuck? Let me back up. Let me speak. Yes, Connie. No, Yoli, clearly not. So anyways, Ivan like is yelling at the guy. Me and Brianna are running back, like running. We get in between them because obviously like, so this guy's taunting Ivan. He's like, he's talking shit. He literally tells Ivan, you guys, by the way, with his heavy accent, he had a heavy accent, which is fine. Like there's nothing, you can have an accent. He literally tells Ivan, are you even from this country? He's like, are you drunk? Like, what? He said, are you even from this country? To Ivan. He's like taunting him like he's trying to get Ivan to hit him or something. And we're like holding him back. Me and Brianna are holding him back. Osmar comes up. We're all three holding him back at this point. This guy keeps like yapping, like taunting him. Yes, you teach your kids not to talk to strangers, period. I watch your language. No, I will never watch my language. Anyways, he was just a literal fucking weirdo, douche, creepy. Like, I wish I would have took a video, bitch. I did. I hit Brianna on accident when we were trying to like push him back. Bitch, it's a whole grown ass man. So obviously like it took a couple of us. Hell no, I'd be swinging. No, literally, you guys. He said that to Ivan. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, I wish somebody, if somebody has the video recording of it, you will see it. Because there was a bunch of people around. Like, they're like, yo, beat his ass. Like, you guys, literally. And then the kids, I told the kids to go back. I'm like, go back to Kaylani, like, run, like, just go to get them. Because Kaylani and Gabe were at Starbucks. And I told the smaller kids to go back. I was like, go, like, I don't want them in the middle of this. Anyway, security came up, and I think they already had an issue with this guy because they got our statements and everything, and they're like, no, like, this is not okay. Like, he should not make comments like that, and your daughter does not need to say hi to him. Like, what? If anything, she done the right thing. No, the thing is, you guys, like, okay, there's a kiosk here. The girls ran up and they were looking at the squishies instantly. Like, they didn't look at anybody around. The guy was like behind the kiosk and he pops out and he's like, oh, don't touch. Like, he told them like, he told them don't touch, not to scoot back, and was like rude to them and said that they were disrespectful because they didn't say hi. And I was like, but we're going to buy a squishy, so I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, en español. Baby, quieren español.
¿Qué quieren en español?
They want it in Spanish. Hold on.
¿Qué cosa?
I'm sure it'll be on TikTok. I know, I'm like, oh my God, I'm just waiting for this, like, video of us, like, looking all crazy because Ivan was, like, yelling and, like, at this guy. And you guys, when I tell you that, no, we reported him, Raquel, we reported him because, first of all, why are you, even if we aren't from this country, like, or we are, it's none of your business. Like, why are you gonna tell him that, like, why are you gonna tell him, like, that he's disrespectful, like, or why are you gonna tell him, like, is he even from this country? I'm, like, trying to, like, gather myself because I'm still fucking shaking. Like, why would you say that to him? Like, are you even from this country? Or, like, first of all, you're brown too. Why are you saying that to me? You have a very heavy accent as well. Ivan doesn't have an accent anyway, but, like, still, like, I don't understand what the point of him saying that. But yeah, the security was on our side. They were like, no, that's not okay. Like, we're gonna report this, like, that I think we might get a call. I don't know. He needed one. No, literally, you guys, he was the way he was taunting Ivan, he wanted Ivan to hit him. And then when he was taunting him, he was like, oh, are you even from this country? No, we will follow up on it, you guys. And then poor mama, when she ran back to, like, the bigger kids, she was shaking.
They were trying to tell us what happened.
Things I had to do.
Carla said, I have season passes there, so I know exactly. Yeah. This was not in the park, you guys. This was on City Walk, you guys. This was on City Walk, so, like, outside of Universal. Like, at one of the little kiosks. Brianna's okay, yeah. I feel so bad. I literally texted her. I was like, I'm so sorry. Yeah, Liz. No, it sounded like this is not the first time the guy has, like, started problems. Because they're like, no, we're reporting this. Isn't okay. Like, yeah. And, like, I was so sad because Mama was so excited to go see the squishies. Yes, he wanted Ivan to hit it and turn it on you guys. No, literally. No, he didn't punch him, Erica. Ivan would probably be in jail right now if he did. The guy wanted Ivan to hit him, yeah.
Guys, I called us in the bathroom. I'm sorry.
No, Ivan was pissed. Like, you guys, oh my God. Anyways, we just got back to our hotel. I know this video is a little bit, like, everywhere because I'm literally still shaking. Like, I'm still pissed off.
Guys, that matcha messed up my stomach.
Well, why are you getting matcha at night anyway?
I have a couple options.
I'm scared. Okay. Oh, hell no.
This was on City Walk. My arm hurts. My nail, I think I broke my nail, like, down here.
You did?
Yeah, Maria, I don't fucking know. But yeah, he was like, are you even from this country? Are you even from this country? Like, bitch, what do you mean? Why are you saying that? Even if we aren't from this country, why are you saying that?
People, bro.
Like, what? No era un señor mayor. He was like 40, 30, late 30s, 40.
You hear Osmar? He said, my woman said
My throat hurts.
1 hour ago.
I didn't say shut the fuck up. But I was pissed, you guys. Can I recap?
Mom, let's go.
No.
Because I need to run to that bathroom.
Bubba said no, right?
We're not getting
Yes,
out
Mama's
early.
okay. Mama, are you okay now?
Mom, we're taking the stairs.
Poor Mama. She's like, I was scared my dad was going to go to jail.
Osmar, you
We
said-
ride at dawn. Bitch, I wish I would have recorded the guy so I could fucking post his ass.
The baby.
We're not going in the elevator. Can someone take the stairs with
We
me?
did go in the elevator. It is shook again.
Shook again.
When?
Oh,
go
no,
downstairs?
it was the guy at the kiosk. Bitch, no, I'm not going on no damn stairs. My feet hurt so
You
bad.
guys rather risk your freaking life going up that elevator? I'm not going up that elevator.
My throat hurts.
Go cry.
I kind of want to make my man come up, get my makeup in the morning. I don't want to carry it right now.
My cookie fell.
Mama, why is your cookie on the ground?
It fell because I tried to walk on my knees to get in there and then it fell.
That's a $10 cookie on the ground right now.
No, you guys, so me and Brianna were holding Ivan back at the same time, and in the mix of it, I hit my finger on her cheek right here. And my, to be fair, my finger hurts really bad. It's throbbing. And Brianna said, I'm sorry, I broke your finger on my face. Your nail. She's like, I'm sorry, I broke your nail on my face. I was like, oh my, I felt so bad, you guys. Go back and record him, but I want to.
We got the squishy though.
No, Pierce had already got a squishy, so I'm pissed. I want to go return that shit and get my money back. Oh yeah, thank you, baby. That's the part that pisses me off, is the fact that they had already bought a squishy from him. Oh, my legs.
Could have just done it when we were there. Yeah.
It's well, because we were both trying to hold Ivan back, you guys. Well, then Osmar really wanted to be up in there too, but he was like, well, no, we ain't gonna leave all these kids with no parents and go to jail over this fucking weirdo, creepy man.
I could have whooped him and then he could have done it.
Bubba's like,
Yeah, but you could have went to juvie.
City Walk during the day is not like that. Yes, it was like, it was not, it just happened, you guys, like within the last like hour. Kaylani's scared. You guys, we're gonna bring you guys in the broken elevator with us. Yeah, I'm not walking down the stairs. My feet hurt. Kaylani's not risking her life.
Bro, I don't want to go.
Kehlani doesn't want to. Kehlani is just shakes a little. Go down the stairs. We'll meet you down there.
Shadow, will you come with me to the stairs?
Voy a brincar esta vez.
No, you're not.
Guys,
No.
I don't think we should go in here. I literally don't think it's gonna be good.
I'm gonna send you a picture.
See, it shakes.
It's Los Angeles. You won't go to jail. Really? Oh, well, I should have told Ivan to do it. You guys were going in the broken elevator.
One.
No, literally.
Guys, watch this.
Pinche
Wow.
menso viejo. Wait, you guys, we're in the broken elevator.
Good one.
The baby, she's right here. You guys watch.
I swear.
It usually only does it when we
I'm
go
gonna
up.
be scared. Mom.
It's gonna shake.
Oh, it's only gonna do it when we go
That is
out.
normal.
Look.
It only
Stop,
did-
Osmar. You can't do that on a broken elevator.
it's fine. You
No,
just
it's
made a
not.
sound.
It's not funny.
You just made a sound.
It's okay. I know. Today is not funny. Not funny.
Why did it start? Oh my god.
My girl.
Kehlani said the way.
Traded 1 hour ago. I say, chop the fuck up too. What is your fucking problem?
Okay, I'll explain the story one more time, you guys. My arm fucking hurts. Oh, it's cold. Baby, la llave. You have the key?
Huh?
You have the key?
What key?
The key to the hotel.
Pero obvio que sí.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I forgot we were all matching. I forgot we were all
No
matching.
tomamos una foto, sí tenemos foto.
No, we didn't get a picture.
Aquí en el hotel.
It's a pictures.
Everything.
We were on City Walk, you guys. Mama was upset.
Remember how we recreated the photo?
Oh, I'm so cold.
I threw it down with
I
someone,
wanted
guys.
to talk with that. So send me it.
Yeah.
And the minions.
It's really cold.
No, Ramona in LA, like, people don't be going to jail. She's right. Like, they got better things to do. Yep. Universal was a good time, you guys. We had such a good time. I think the signal's gonna cut out when we get in the elevator, you guys. 3.
No, Osmar.
No,
It's not funny. I need to go
Oh, Mom,
back.
scan it.
Kehlani has to poop.
No, I don't. I think
Oh, the keys? The keys?
Where's Brisa? We forgot her. In the car. I'll go back and get her. I'm just kidding. Kehlani, do not fart in this elevator. I fucking swear.
If I fart, I'll poop. Y'all know that feeling.
Oh, Kenny.
I didn't fart.
Hell no.
If I told you if I fart, it would be bad. But I didn't fart.
Is it working still, you guys?
Why did it actually stink?
Guys, this is the slower way. We go the faster way this way. The faster way this way.
Oh. I'm cold.
Want that and watching this by myself?
In Spanish, everyone wants to know what happened. Okay. Yeah, it'd probably be a ticket. Yeah.
Guys, I went to jail for a little bit.
Oh, hell no, Osmar. Why do you want to like that?
We're getting to our room and then I'll tell you guys a story. My throat hurts. I forgot we were matching too.
Guys, I look like Mariah Lee.
You all look so cute. Why?
I forgot we were matching.
Are we still connected, you
Why
guys?
do we look cute? I forgot that we're all matching.
Is our room a mess?
Yes.
Oh god.
It always is.
Mom, just
You guys.
Neat.